What's up, everybody? Happy Thanksgiving. Even though it's the day before, but that's okay. So, around the internet right now is the text your mom and ask her what to do with a 25-pound turkey in a microwave. That's been the thingy lately.
It's been all over the place.
My mom is actually a very smart woman, and we're gonna test it out, but we all texted our moms and wife. This is what my mom said. Mom, how long does it take to cook a 25-pound turkey in a microwave? She says, I have never made a 25-pound turkey in a microwave, ... I replied, oh. Plus, I doubt you can fit a 25-pound turkey in a microwave.
In your microwave.
Oh,
specifically
your
microwave.
My microwave. Thank you, Mom. Maybe an 8 to 10 pound in a microwave safe bag with a steam hole in it, ... I said, I love you. LOL. Don, what did your mom say?
I'm not even going to read it because she basically just thought I was really dumb and I should know better. And on the flip side, she had surgery and yelled at me for making her laugh, and she shouldn't be laughing right now. So I kind of got in trouble. What about you, YP?
I asked the same question, and Pam said, "What? Never do that." And that was the end
Sound
of it.
advice.
She's probably thinking, you're texting me with his phone.
Mm-hmm.
So, we have a turkey, and I thought these were steam bags, but they're not. They're just oven bags.
Yeah.
So,
Can we just poke a hole in it? We'll do the same thing.
we're gonna try. It's a bag, right? We're gonna try this theory. Per my mother. This is how you open a turkey, right?
Okay. Alright.
That's pretty safe. All that work. Jesus, watch your fingers.
I'm an Eagle Scout.
Yeah, you won't cut like one.
I can tie all the knots.
You're really close with that blade.
I know, and he's cutting towards himself.
Well,
Do you stuff your bird?
oh,
Oh.
this is gross.
Well, the thing's gonna pop up when it's done in your microwave.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's the popper.
Yeah.
Did I touch it?
No.
Yeah.
This will make steam. You just supposed to tie it. Tie it. Put
Is that one that's not? That's your demo?
Put a steam hole in it.
Is that, you don't even know what a steam bag is, are you sure?
This will probably work. Right?
Does this specifically have microwave instructions on it, you think? Does this specifically have microwave instructions on it, you think?
It's 1,000 watts. It's gotta be
30 minutes. Pretty old, right? You can tap it later. Doesn't the thing pops up when it's done? Just put it in for as long as you need. As soon as it pops up, everything's done. This is a dinner plate.
9.
Perfect. There you go. And that'll just pop up with stuff. We're good.
Alright, let's see what you got.
5,
4, 3,
2, 1.
ding!
Doink, doink, turkey's done.
Alright, let's see what this gravy looks like. Holy cow, this smells good.
Whoa!
It worked! Look at that! Mom, you are a genius.
That's a good looking bird.
Let's see what it tastes like. Alright, now you know that you can make a turkey in a microwave. Happy Thanksgiving.
Gobble, gobble.